Exceed your sewing expectations. The Juki Exceed F400 is simple enough for a beginner, but capable enough for a pro. Spend hours of quality time creating wonderful items for yourself and friends with this delightful machine that boasts computerized conveniences such as over 450 sewing patterns, electronic buttonholing, automatic reverse sewing, programmable trimmers, an intelligent bobbin system, and more. Now sewing can truly be a joy. The foolproof easy winding bobbin system allows you to wind a bobbin quickly. Just put the bobbin in place and flip the lever. Running low on bobbin thread? No problem. The Exceed F400 Easy Set Bobbin System not only makes winding a bobbin a breeze, it also allows you to wind a bobbin while you sew. The Quick Set Bobbin allows you to quickly and accurately place the bobbin in the machine. Just drop the bobbin in the case and follow the marked guides. No need to pull the thread to the top of the machine. The Exceed will hold the thread in place until you're ready to sew. Threading the machine is easy. Just follow the clearly marked threading path to the advanced automatic needle threader. Press the needle threading lever down and the machine is threaded and ready to sew. No stress and no eye strain. The Juki Exceed F400 has 456 sewing patterns, including 16 professional electronic buttonholes and 3 alphabet character sets. The Quick Select Stitch panel makes pattern selection fast and easy for the 10 most popular sewing patterns. Just push a button to select the desired pattern. The backlit LED screen displays the pattern and a wealth of information from stitch settings to the recommended presser foot. Stitch width and stitch length settings are easy to read and even easier to adjust. Just press the plus or the minus key to increase or decrease the settings. Select more stitch patterns with the user-friendly pattern menu. The menu is easy to follow. Just press the pattern menu key and use the arrow keys to move to the desired menu. You can quickly select practical patterns, buttonhole patterns, quilting patterns, decorative patterns, and programmable patterns. Press OK and enter the pattern number. Besides great sewing patterns, the Exceed F400 has professional quality, exclusive electronic buttonholes. No lever to pull down, just plug the electronic foot into the machine and create perfect buttonholes every time. There are 16 professional buttonholes for knits, denim, stretch, and woven fabrics built into the Exceed F400. The Juki buttonhole underplate system helps create perfect buttonholes on delicate fabrics, over seams, and in difficult-to-reach areas. Another Juki exclusive. While all machines allow you to control the stitch width and density of buttonholes, only Juki Exceed machines allow you to control the cutting width of the buttonholes. Create perfectly sized buttonholes for any type of button with ease. Select the narrow setting for specialty buttons such as thin mother-of-pearl buttons, or select the wide setting for thicker designer buttons. Embellish all your creations with decorative stitch patterns. Just select the pattern menu and select the desired pattern. Need to mirror or flip your stitch pattern? Just press the mirror key and the pattern is mirrored and ready to sew. The Exceed allows you to program your settings. Program the needle to stop in the up or down position. Program your Exceed to automatically cut your thread and create lock stitching at the beginning and the end of your sewing. Easily combine patterns to create fantastic decorative borders for stunning home decor or one-of-a-kind garments. The one-point pattern menu allows you to create one stitch pattern at a time. Sew the individual pattern anywhere you want. Add decorative touches to any place you like. Want to sew the pattern over and over to create a decorative border? Just push the continuous sewing button and off you go. Lettering is fast and easy. Just select the desired lettering and get ready to text away. The Exceed allows you to quickly select alphabet patterns without scrolling through hundreds of patterns or entering number after number. Just use the keypad like you do your text pad on your cell phone. Want to save your lettering or combine stitch patterns to use another day? Just touch the folder key and save them in the built-in machine memory. You can combine up to 70 patterns in one file and then save the pattern file into one of 10 folder locations. Anytime you want to recall the saved pattern, just open the folder. The selected folder will display the contents on the machine screen. When you've reached the folder you desire, press OK and you're ready to sew. Another Juki exclusive. The Exceed F400 allows you to control exactly where your stitch pattern is placed. In addition to being able to move the pattern to the right, left, or center, the Exceed F400 allows you to move the needle to any one of 37 other locations for precision sewing. The Exceed F400 allows you complete control over your creative process. Need to change the needle position to up or down? Just push the needle position key. Need to secure a seam? Just press and hold the reverse key to sew back into the seam line, or press the reverse key once to place lock stitches at the end of the seam. Sew without your foot control. Just disconnect the foot control and use the Stop/Start button. Control the sewing speed using the variable speed control slider. Moving the slider to the left slows the machine down to as little as 90 stitches per minute for precision sewing. Moving the variable speed control to the right speeds up the machine to as fast as 900 stitches per minute for speed sewing. Need to adjust the thread tension for specialty threads? Just turn the dial to change from automatic tension. No guesswork involved. Just turn the dial to the right to increase the tension and to the left to decrease the tension. It's that simple. Sewing on bulky layers or knits? Just adjust the foot pressure. The 7-point feed dogs and the industrial box feed system keep all fabric layers, thick or thin, moving right along. No fabric jams into the needle plate or slipping of seams here. Keep everything you need in one place with the Juki Accessory Tray. Need to sew in tight areas like pant legs, cuffs, or collars? Just remove the accessory tray to access the free arm. The Exceed F400 was built to quilt, and nothing quilts better than a Juki machine. Just flip the lever and the machine feed dogs are down. Attach the free motion quilting foot and you're ready to quilt or create free motion embroidery work on your Exceed F400. Done sewing for the day? Store your machine, foot control, electric cord, and manual in a safe place. The hard shell machine carry case keeps it all together and protects your machine from everyday living. Spend hours of quality time creating wonderful items for yourself and friends with this delightful machine.